Hello, in this video, information will be provided about the medication Valium. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us.
What is Valium? Valium contains the active ingredient diazepam, which belongs to a class of medicines called benzodiazepines. It works by calming the brain and nerves, producing a sedative, muscle relaxant, and anti-anxiety effect. Doctors may prescribe Valium for several conditions, including anxiety disorders and excessive nervous tension, muscle spasms caused by injury or neurological disorders, seizure disorders as an adjunctive therapy, alcohol withdrawal symptoms such as tremors and agitation, preoperative anxiety and tension before surgical procedures. Dosage and proper use. How and when to take Valium. Valium can be taken with or without food. If it causes any stomach discomfort, it's best to take it after meals. Swallow the tablet with a full glass of water. Always follow your doctor's instructions carefully and never increase or decrease your dose without medical advice. The usual adult dose is between 2 and 10 milligrams, taken 2 to 4 times daily, depending on your condition. If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, skip the missed one. Never take a double dose. Valium usually starts to work within 15 to 60 minutes after taking it. Its peak effect happens in about 1 to 1.5 hours, and the calming or muscle-relaxing effects can last for several hours. In some people, especially those who take it regularly, the effect may last even longer, because diazepam stays in the body for a long time. Warnings and precautions. Valium can cause drowsiness, dizziness, and slowed breathing, especially if combined with alcohol, opioids, or other sedatives. It should be used with caution in people with liver or kidney disease, respiratory disorders, glaucoma, or muscle weakness, myasthenia gravis. Elderly patients are more sensitive to side effects, such as confusion and unsteady movements. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should use this medication only if clearly prescribed by a doctor. Long-term or high-dose use may lead to dependence, tolerance, and withdrawal symptoms when stopped suddenly. Possible side effects. Common side effects include drowsiness, fatigue or muscle weakness, dizziness or loss of coordination. Serious side effects may include trouble breathing or slowed breathing, confusion, hallucinations, or unusual mood changes, yellowing of the skin or eyes, a sign of liver problems. If you experience severe side effects, seek medical help immediately. This video is for informational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.